Alright my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. We don't call your screen now with breaking news. We don't call your domot with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside this our green white green country will be Nigeria. So and the cocoa now be say the Nigerian Air Force don't last confirm am say them through carry out airstrike attack for one village like that for inside Zamfara state, with claims say they be the target terrorists wey dem find for that area. And this na after tori come out say civilians dey among those wey the Air Force their strike hit, and they can't even be RIP on top the matter. About 16 civilians na tori dey talk say dem kpai from the attack, and among these innocent civilians so we just bear unnecessary RIP, some of them na local vigilantes for the community. This latest airstrike so my good people na for Tunga Kara for inside Zomi local government area of Zamfara state 90 for happen, and the Air Force dey yarn say their main target for the operation na bandits. And wetin the Air Force come join the tori wey they don yarn before na say dem dey concerned about the report say civilians now don bear unnecessary RIP during the airstrike. And this my good people no be the first time wey Air Force their airstrike go kpai civilians when Air Force dey carry out their operations for northern part of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. Now based on say the matter e no make sense, based on say this news no be good news at all, the Director of Public Relations and Information to the Air Force wey dey go by the name Air Vice Marshal Olusola Fakimboyewa, he na come dey yarn say they wan start investigation to get the truth about the reports, because the life of civilians get meaning to them. He said the Nigerian Air Force will be NAF for the recent airstrikes now for Tunga Kara for inside Zomi local government area of Zamfara state. He deal decisive blow to bandits wey dey terrorize villages for the area. But however, while the operation been successfully eliminate several bandits and it can lead to the recovery of some kidnapped victims, the NAF wey be the Nigerian Air Force view with grave concern reports of the loss of civilian lives in the course of the operation. And this airstrike, according to the reports, also claim lives of some local vigilantes wey dey for the area where the airstrike bin happen. This my good people na wetin the Air Vice Marshal Fakimboyewa talk about the matter. And no be lie my good people, as all these levels now don happen, so the Nigerian Chief of Defence Staff Christopher Musa, he na come dey explain say the military dey follow strict protocols before them do any airstrike for their different theatres of operations. So he said the military no dey deliberately target civilians, that is, they no go just wake up one morning say I am go target civilians, no, but they dey do their things with accuracy. All their airstrikes dey come with caution and they know who they target. Oga Christopher Musa wey be the Nigeria Chief of Defence Staff in the yarn all these levels so for inside one interview wey him get with tori people, and na for inside this interview na him come dey react to the tori, na him come dey react on the airstrike wey the military do on Saturday wey come give unnecessary RIP to 16 civilians. And na for inside this interview na him come still dey yarn say the issue of airstrike still be the same. He say before dem do any airstrike, they dey follow up on movement, and if it tell the general public say when dem do airstrike, they dey do am with precision, they dey do am with caution, they dey do am with accuracy, and sometimes na secondary explosions or explosions wey occur sake of where the militants keep their weapons and explosives na if e don affect the civilians. And now they no fit come outside come dey yarn say secondary explosions no happen, no, because inside these militants their hideouts now, inside these militants their camp, they fit dey keep some kind dangerous weapons, they fit dey get bombs and explosive wey they go hide for inside. So sometimes if the thing now come explode unexpected, e no get anyhow wey it no go affect innocent civilians. That na why they no dey fit rule am out. But e no get any time, any day wey be say they go use their clear eye come go dey target civilian population, so they dey avoid am as much as possible, and then ready to provide videos as evidence to show say they dey always do follow up before dem do any strike. This my good people na how the talk take come aside from Oga Christopher mouth. Now sake of this incident now, based on say no be the first time wetin dey happen, based on say no be the second time, based on say no be the third time sef, the thing now don make country people dey para. Country people now don dey yarn Say the Nigerian military they don know very well say all these jagoda men, all these bandits, they dey like keep explosive for their hideout, and anytime wey dem use air strike, e dey cause casualties, e dey give civilians unnecessary RIP. Why not stop the air strike and use the army? Or better still, find another alternative wey you go use to make sure say the innocent country people now wey you dey fight to protect no come last bear RIP on top the matter. Now sharparly my good people, make I yarn you legit, make I yarn you other times wey accidental airstrike don happen for inside this our green white green country Nigeria, and e come give civilians unexpected RIP. For inside Sokoto, for inside the northern part of this our country Nigeria, on the 25th day of December for inside the year 2024, no be small tragedy. The Nigerian military airstrike give RIP to 10 country people and e come even injure 6 others. Then during the burial of the 10 countrymen wey bear RIP, the Sokoto state governor wey be Ahmed Aliyu, he come outside the yarn say the military carry out the attack by mistake. Then for inside Kaduna state for inside the year 2023, no be small bombing wey happen for inside there. The Kaduna state government come last come outside the yarn say na Nigerian army carry out the airstrike for Tudunbiri village. And for inside one statement like that, wey one countryman wey dey go by the name Samuel Aruwan, he na the commissioner wey dey oversee Ministry of Internal Affairs for inside Kaduna state, he come dey yarn say Nigerian army don sit down with Deputy Governor Hadiza Balarabe to yarn say na mistake. Another bombing still happen for inside Buwari village for inside the year 2021. The Nigerian Air Force wey be NAFB admit for inside the month of September for inside that year 2021 say their fighter jets kpai civilians for Buwari village wey be Yobe state for inside this our green white green country Nigeria. The NAF wey be Nigerian Air Force come dey yarn say the fighter jets kpai 9 people and e come even injure about 20 for Yobe state, and na by mistake e take happen. Then for inside Port Harcourt wey be the capital city of Rivers State, no be small helicopter strike wey happen for inside the year 2021. One heavy strike bin hit cargo boat wey bin dey carry people and goods from Port Harcourt for Rivers State to Bonny Island. But last the Nigeria Defence Headquarters come dey deny the tori say military no fire their boat o, say nothing like that o. But eyewitness dey yarn say people injure for the matter o, people chop injury wetin no good based on the attack as bullets now come dey touch them. Now no be like say country people no dey appreciate the efforts of the Nigerian military to keep our country and civilians safe, but country people dey urge the Nigerian military say make dem do more, make dem dey very much careful as they dey try to dey protect civilians and we country. Make dem make sure say their works no come dey give unnecessary RIP to innocent country people. So this my good people, now the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. No say now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this information and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this our channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na go first get the informate and you go even get am sharp. Me dey come your side again with another legit info for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.